Hello everyone, in the previous video I showed you how to use the less than operator. Now in this video I'll show you how to use the greater than operator, which is very similar. So first let's start by adding two new networks. Then go to the right side of the screen under Math Operators and select the GT function block, drag it to the network, and do the same thing with the GE. I'll keep both enabled. Now let's assign our variables. So I create two new variables, value 4, type integer, and value 5. Now I'll add a coil to visualize the result. Now let's log into the controller. Okay, and to test these function blocks, I'll assign a value to value 5. So let's say 60. And as you can see, the value 4 is less than the value 5. So it's not greater than the second value, which is the value 5. And both blocks will not enable their output. Now, if value 4 is greater than value 5, so let's say 90, they will enable their output. And if value 4 is the same value as value 5, which is 60, only the GE function block will enable its output. That's how you use the greater than operator in Master Tool, and I see you on the next video.